Today we will discuss how we can become rich in a short amount of time. Becoming wealthy in a short amount of time is not a guaranteed or realistic outcome for most people. Building wealth typically requires consistent hard work, intelligent financial decisions, and a bit of luck. However, here are some steps that can help you move in the right direction. First, start by creating a budget and sticking to it. This will help you better manage your money and understand where it's going each month. Second, reduce debt. High levels of debt can be a major obstacle to wealth building, so focus on paying down credit card balances, student loans, and other debts as quickly as possible. Third, build an emergency fund. This is a savings account that you can use in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. Having a cushion of several months of living expenses can provide peace of mind and help you avoid debt. Fourth, invest in your education and skills. Learning new skills and acquiring knowledge can increase your earning potential over time. Fifth, start saving and investing. Even small contributions to a retirement account or investment portfolio can add up over time, especially with the power of compound interest. Sixth, take calculated risks. Starting a business, investing in stocks, or pursuing other opportunities with the potential for high returns can be a way to build wealth quickly, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Remember, there are no shortcuts to wealth, and becoming rich quickly is often not sustainable. Building wealth takes time, patience, and a long-term perspective. If you want to learn and earn and want to increase your money and secure your future financially, then please check on the description box. Thanks for watching.